I started working here around 1.5 years ago. I had just finished my degree in mechanical engineering, master's at NTNU in Trondheim, with a specialization in project and quality management. When I started working here, I got a mentor, technical mentor, that was there for answering questions and supervising us in the beginning. Also got like technical onboarding and boot camp to learn the fundamentals of PLM and Siemens Teamcenter. And I think that was a really good introduction to the subject matter, because you got kind of this intensive learning in the beginning to prepare you for getting onboarded into projects. I have mostly worked with the technical implementation of the new PLM system, and with seniors there, especially in the beginning, guidelining and supporting the work, and also assuring that the work is of a good quality, and which is a good safeguard when you are new in the project, to have that safety net to ensure the quality. Our solution is designed based on both Siemens best practices and our own experience here at CLEVR. So it is important that the solution is future-proof, and by following Siemens best practices, we are prepared for any changes to the Teamcenter software in the future versions, as well as new features coming in the future, like AI, for example. So we are designing the solution to be secure for any changes, or robust for any changes coming technically. It's cool to be part of that process as well, and being able to, so early in my career, be part of establishing such an important business system for a big manufacturing company in a secure environment where you are supervised, and you know that your work is going through a reliable quality assurance by experienced engineers. So I think the first moment of pride for me during the project was my first presentation, because I was included in the pre-phase of the project. So I was very new. I had just worked here a couple of months. And I remember when me and one other employee co-worker who was part of the pre-phase sprint was finished, we had a presentation for the customer, showing off our work and getting feedback for the first time. And getting great feedback on the first sprint that we completed was a really gratifying experience. What I like about how we work at CLEVR is that behind every small technical implementation or decision, you have the whole team behind you. So you know that you're not alone when working. You have this whole team ensuring that what you deliver is of a high quality and future-proof. So what I think is exciting about what we do at CLEVR is being able to, in a safe environment, be involved in large projects for large customers, working with core business systems for the customer, and having to think about all parts of the manufacturing process. So it really gives you a deep understanding about a very large pool of business areas. And for those of us who are interested in production and manufacturing, it's really cool to be involved in that and seeing the results.